Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M51 and let me show you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to do is simply open the camera app, and now let me show you the timer is off, so this device is taking photos right after touching the shutter button. If you want to set the timer, here we've got the icon on the third position. Now it is off, let's tap on it, and now as you can see we've got 3 options to choose from. We can set either 2, 5 or 10 seconds. So let me pick 10 seconds for example. As you can see the icon has been changed, and now let's tap on the shutter button. And as you can see from now on this device is counting down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, now let's check another option, for example maybe 5 seconds. Shutter button, and the same situation, but now it is counting down from 5. To turn off the timer, just tap on this icon again and click on off. And as you can see, it just got back to its previous state. So that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy M51. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.